Best way to approach this question is to write everything as powers of 2. So we've got 2 to the x times 2 squared to the y equals 1 over 2 times 2 to the half, in which we can write 2 to the x times 2 to the 2y equals 1 over 2 to the 3 over 2, because I'm adding the powers here. And then 2 to the x plus 2y, rule of indices, I just add them, is equal to 2 to the minus 3 over 2. Okay, now we're in a good place because it must be that the powers are the same, because the base is 2 for both. X plus 2y is equal to minus 3 over 2. 2y is equal to minus x minus 3 over 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus a half x minus 3 over 4. You can factorize a quarter out if you want, but I just left it like that. That for sure is the best way to do this question. You might be tempted to use logs. I wouldn't recommend it, but I'm just going to go through that way as well. So we could take log to base 2 of both sides. This would be required, to be fair, if everything wasn't powers of 2, like if we had a 3 there, for example. So it is worth still talking about and understanding. So I'm taking log of the entire thing. That's going to be log of 1 over 2 root 2. Then I can separate this log, so log to base 2 of 2 to the x plus log to base 2 of 4 to the y is going to equal log, and again I can write it as 2 to the minus 3 over 2. So x log to base 2 of 2, actually that's just 1, plus y log to base 2 of 4, which is actually 2, is equal to minus 3 over 2. And, we're basically back to here. So we get the same answer. To be fair, that didn't really require much more effort. I'd just say if you can use the idea of powers, I would, but be aware of the log situation as well for questions where you can't write things as powers of a single number. Well done.